Do you like it? Lily? You approve?
Just got the water testing right here, and it comes in with 3 different filters, and also this little brush to clean the just like the channels where the water goes through. And it's also pretty nice that they give you like this sponge. It's like a Mr. Clean sponge, which will make it pretty easy to clean. And it goes off and on because right now I have it a sensor. It has 3 different options right here. You can set it up, which is also just always overflowing or economic, or you can have it by sensor, so it realizes whenever the water's low here, and then it decides to pour. And this is what it looks like on the inside, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pour this out. And now I just empty this out. You can either take this out like this just to kind of clean out the filters. It comes with 2 different filters, which is just a very basic one to catch any hairs or just big clumps of stuff. And then it comes with this one, which filters out the water more. And then the inside, this is how it's set up. So those are the little hoses you will have to clean with the little brush. And there's also another filter in here. So the water is very, very, very well filtered. You know, these filters are washable, so it's not a one-time use filters. And then all this is gonna be filled up with water.
He's a good boy.
A short while later, the other officer returns.